Welcome to It's 5 o'clock somewhere, your ultimate guide to embracing the joy of happy hours, no matter the time zone. Join us as we explore the world's most fascinating happy hour spots, uncover unique cocktail recipes, and immerse ourselves in relaxing vibes that elevate your spirits. Our channel is dedicated to enthusiasts who appreciate the art of unwinding with style and sophistication. Subscribe today to become part of our community, where any time can be 5 o'clock. We promise you a journey filled with delightful discoveries and refreshing moments. Let's raise a glass to spontaneity and celebrate 5 o'clock anywhere, anytime. Cheers to new experiences and lasting memories. Welcome aboard.